Welcome back to the Penmanship Online Workshops. It's my pleasure to inform you today that we're about to launch our Kickstarter project. The campaign will be regarding penmanship, as many of you know, and it is about making workshop videos based around the chapters of my book. Now, this campaign will run for 60 days starting on the 15th of September, and it will run until mid-November. So we will keep you up to date on this project, and thank you very much if you are going to support the project. I had a communication today about an article that appeared in the West Australian press, and this was very heartening to me. The article has a headline, "Writing Back in the Good Books," and it says, as young children went back to school across Sweden last month, many of their teachers were putting a new emphasis on printed books, quiet reading, and handwriting practice, and devoting less time to tablets, independent online research, and keyboarding skills. So they are suggesting in this article that the standard of education has begun to decline since the introduction of tablets, especially to young children. So this is something that is a trend. So our project is actually capturing a perfect moment in time when parents, even politicians, are demanding that more emphasis be given to the 3 R's. For those of you who don't know, the 3 R's are reading, writing, and arithmetic. And from my point of view, the most neglected of the 3 R's has been writing, has been handwriting. So with this project, we hope to redress that problem and give a boost to teachers and students themselves to improve their ability to handwrite. Thank you for supporting us. We'll keep you updated. Subscribe to the Plume e-news for those updates, and all the best to you all, and thank you for supporting this.